So, traders, happy new day. And on today's video, as you guys have already seen the thumbnail, and now guess you now get the picture into what I'm about to share on today's video. But before I start, make sure you like on the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, subscribe to the click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And you look, guys, our way COT Academy has a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. I've left my number, my Telegram link, my Instagram link, and any source of communication tool that I have, which you also have up there. So you can text me, DM me, or do all that you want to do, so I can come to you, chop it up, and give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need, so you can have a wonderful trading journey within the forex industry. But without further ado, let me not say much, let me not do much. Let me update you guys, but not only update you guys, and also educate you guys within this video. So the first page that we guys gonna be working on will be Nasdaq. And on Nasdaq, you can clearly see that our structure is looking bullish, our behavior is looking bullish, but now there's a zone that is stopping us from having to continue with our bullish direction, or rather would I say that is stopping us from having the bullish sentiment that price has been having within this week, right? And as you guys can clearly see, that price at this all-time high zone. With this all-time high zone, we have marked it out just so you guys can be all aware into why we have marked it out. This is all based on having to understand that this bullish direction and this bullish behavior, what's going to happen within this very same zone. Is price going to give us a break above and a retest so we can look for further continuations to the upside, or is price going to give us a fail to break based on price giving us a high, and from that high giving us lows? Is it gonna do as we anticipate? So on Nasdaq, I'm gonna keep it the way I keep it. Price is bullish, our behavior is bullish, but price has a zone into which we're looking to see what is price gonna do from there. Are we gonna get a break above so we can continue with our all-time highs, or is price gonna give us a fill to break to give us a double top pattern and look for those reversals to the downside? That's all we're gonna be focusing on. But without further ado, second pair will be gold. And on gold, I also want to leave you guys with something that you have to be mindful on before the charts show up. Gold has been bullish as we speak, as I've shared about the nets, right? That even on gold has been bullish, and with price being bullish, we've shared within our weekly trading outlook video. You can go check it out if you haven't checked it out. That from price having us a push to the upside and a close with a push to end the week, what we're going to be focusing on is for price to give us a pullback or an exhaustion phase before you can anticipate what continuations to the upside. So price gave us what an exhaustion phase, or rather would I say a pullback, right? So with this exhaustion phase, you can possibly see that price is giving us possible continuations to the upside. So all I can now leave you guys with on gold is very simple. Price at this high, and this high was violated. Price currently has this high, and all we're going to be focusing on is something very simple. Let's say a break above and anticipate those continuations to the upside with a bullish structure and a bullish behavior, looking for possible continuations to the upside. But if price gives us a double bottom, then I guess we're gonna wait and see what is price gonna do further from there. But leaving you guys with one thing: price is bullish, our behavior is bullish. If price gives us a break above our higher high, then we might possibly look for continuations or possible new all-time highs. But if not, then we're gonna wait and see. Is the bullish sentiment gonna deplete, so the base sentiment gonna step in? And that's all we're gonna be focusing on. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USDCAD. And on USDCAD might be possibly technically an easy pair that you guys might be capitalizing on, that we guys might look to capitalize on, because USDCAD, as I've analyzed and as I've tested, I've realized that USDCAD, we spoke about one thing on our weekly trading outlook, that price has closed up our zone, and with price closing above, if we're gonna trade above, we're gonna look for moves to the upside. If price is gonna trade below, we're gonna look for those moves to the downside. So it clearly happened that price printed those previous highs, right? And from printing those previous highs, price on our current price had a reaction within those previous highs, right? So on USDCAD, all I can now leave you guys with is very simple. Price is trading above our major zone, and from trading above our major zone, all we now might look to focus on is very simple. If price will give us a wood, if price is gonna if price is gonna give us a break above this very same current high, then I guess we might look forward for those continuations to the upside of price giving us possible new highs, because as you can clearly see, price at this zone, right, this highs, this current highs, this previous highs gave us this current low, right, and this current low gave us this current high. In order for us to look for continuations of new possible highs, then price has to at least close above our previous highs in order for us to anticipate those continuations to the upside. But if price will give us a fill to break, then I guess we might not look to capitalize on USDCAD until price trades below our major zone. But if price is above, then I guess we might look for those moves to the upside, and that's all we're going to be focusing on. So as I've shared and as I've gave you all the knowledge, and as I've educated you guys, but not only educated you guys but also updated you guys, all I ask is that if you have reached up and until this part of the video, share the video to someone else who can be looking to learn what you've just learned, and also leave a comment into what pair are you looking to capitalize on based on what we have anticipated. And for the most part of it, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend, so you can be on the safe side and on a great side using a user-friendly platform as an easy platform to capitalize and use. But without further ado, I appreciate the love, I appreciate the support. This is your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.